Hi, my name is Dave with UEI. Today I'll be conducting an introduction to the induct DAFM4 vein anemometer. This tool comes packaged in a hard carrying case and includes the handset and then a small vein anemometer that extends to 39 inches. Measurements include air velocity, temperature, and relative humidity, and from those it can calculate dew point and wet bulb as well as air volume in CMM or CFM. The base also allows you to do a timed average up to 99 minutes to get a good average over the surface or in a duct. Some of the benefits that an induct vein anemometer has over other technologies is it's more accurate than hot wire and more rugged. The key to this, though, is it combines relative humidity with the velocity and temperature, giving you all the measurements in one tool. Next, we'll be preparing the site where the measurements will be taken, drill some access holes, and then go to work with the DAFM4. This is a 20-inch duct, and if you look on page 8 of the user guide, you'll see we recommend 5 holes, and it gives you the spacing. I've already calculated it out, so I'm at basically 1.5 inches, 5 3/4, 10, 14 1/4, and 18 1/2. These are my spaces. I'll go ahead and drill those access holes, and we'll begin taking measurements. So the first thing before we use it is I want to set the units to inches instead of metric. So I'm going to press and hold the on-off until the units option, and then I hit enter, and then you can either do up or down to change between Fahrenheit and centigrade or standard and then metric. So I'll put it on degrees Fahrenheit, then I hit enter, and then exit takes you to normal mode. In normal mode you have velocity, and you just scroll through by pressing mode. Volume, I'll come back to that, ambient temperature, relative humidity, wet bulb temperature, and dew point. So go back to velocity, and that's just direct read. So you'll see that reads. Go into volume, and you'll notice down in the corner it has a LW. You either do length width, diameter, or area. So I'm going to pick length width and hit enter. We're 16 by 20, so on the length or width I'll start out and do 16. 16, hit enter, and then 20, and hit enter. Now I'm measuring volume based on a length and width of 16 by 20. And I'll take you through and do a timed average next. We've now got the DAFM4 set up for 16 by 20. I have my access holes drilled into the ductwork, and I'm going to begin a timed average. So first you make sure that the vein is extended long enough to cover the depth. And then you check there's an air in on one side, that's the direction of the airflow. I'll put that right on the inside of the ductwork, and then I hit start and slowly traverse that access hole until I reach the other side, and then I hit stop. I go to the next access hole, I hit start, and I very slowly go across that. I hit the far side, I hit stop. And you'll notice the handle is elongated so you can keep the direction proper. After I have all the measurements taken, my total time is 36 seconds. If I hit min-max average, I have 1379 CFM. I can do minimum 87.5, maximum 2360, so that tells you the span throughout the duct. Back to that. To repeat it, I just press and hold exit. It'll clear that. I still have the same length and width. Let's start again. So now I'm going to do a demonstration on a grill surface area. And you'll want to get the AK or the effective area from the manufacturer. I've got this one, it's 1.5. I only go down to about here. So I'll again go to volume, and then length, width, diameter, area. I got length, width, D for diameter, A for area, it's program 50, hit accept, and then you would change that. I already had it 1.5, and then hit enter, and now I'm measuring volume. Again, air in, so I got the direction of the airflow, and I hit start. You basically paint the surface of the grill. Done, you hit stop. The average, 1120, 1150, so I'm within 30 CFM. So we have a 3-ton system, it's about 400 CFM per ton, so good with the setting for the airflow in the system. That's the DAFM4 small vein induct anemometer from UEI. Thanks for watching.